Hey guys, Jason at Fender Garage again, and we have here a 1979 F350, maybe 250, 350 Ford frame. And so I believe this is a crew cab frame, and we've got a cab that we're going to use, but this is also a four-wheel drive frame. And so we've had a lot of people ask us about what does it take to get a Coyote in a 73 to 79 and really even 67 to 79 F150, 250, 350. What's it take to get a Coyote motor in that? And honestly, I didn't even really know. I've had to do a lot of research on the four-wheel drive stuff. Everything we do here is either low or static and on the ground, and so four-wheel drive is just a little bit new for us, and so probably not going to be into the four-wheel drives like some of our other friends and stuff that build Broncos and four-wheel drive trucks out there, but we do like to come up with products and ideas, and so we're coming out with a kit that will allow you to use your stock suspension, your stock truck, and place your Coyote motor in your truck for four-wheel drive. And so we've got the Dana 20, the Atlas transfer case, and the stock F150 four-wheel drive transfer case that we're going to use that will mate up and work with the Coyote. And so there's adapter kits by Advanced Adapters that we'll be using. And so at the end of the day, I'm hoping within the next 30 days we'll have a motor fit in here and set up for four-wheel drive. And so the guys out there that are looking for a four-wheel drive Coyote Swap kit to install, we'll be having some products coming out for you guys real soon. So stay tuned and give us 30 days and we'll have something for you. Thanks, man.